So today we're here with Misha, and she is a nail tech.
So these are from an anime called Chainsaw Man. It ties in like really detailed nail art, and I really love doing anime nails.
She has a lot of neck and upper back issues from work.
Hunched over when I'm painting nails, like really closely, like looking at the nails.
Yeah. You've never been adjusted before, right?
No, this is my first time.
How exciting!
Yes.
Wow.
I'd be having the worst posture, huh?
I know.
I'm like a shrimp.
Nice.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, that felt so good.
Good.
Ooh.
I know you've been using your wrist
I know,
and your
I
hands
didn't
a
know
lot.
you were cracking like that.